Hey everybody, J.R. Fisher here. Want to make this quick video. Actually, we're stuck in traffic. We're actually stuck in traffic here in California. The rain has stopped and the ability of people to drive in California has not improved, surprisingly. Even without rain, they don't drive well. We just passed a car that's halfway one lane and halfway another. So we were out shopping and I was checking my phone. And when I looked down at my phone, I checked my email and guess what? I made money. How did I do that? How did I make money when I was shopping? Because I have stuff set up, and that's the cool thing. That's the cool thing. Well, it's also cool that on Friday afternoon that we can go off to lunch. Oh, yeah, there's Jessica. See Jessica there? She's driving me. It's driving Miss Jessica. So, so anyhow, we went to lunch and we went shopping, and I made money. And I thought that was pretty cool. And it's cool because I have an email list. And this email list, I have it set up to where when people get tagged with certain things, you know, they opt in for certain things or they buy certain things or whatever, that tag will then trigger a sequence of emails that goes out to them at set times and offer to sell them stuff, which is pretty cool. So that email list is pretty important. And I'm going to tell you how important that email list is. I was buying some stuff in one store and I think it was some shoes or something. I can't remember what it was. But we were buying some stuff and the guy says, I'll give you an extra 10% if you give me your email. That we have this promotion now where we give you 10% off your sale. And that 10% amounted to $25. $25. They paid me $25 to get my email. Now, keep in mind, I can just unsubscribe, immediately. So they would have lost that money. But this is a big company, and it tells you what the value of an email is. If they're willing to pay you $25 for your email, knowing that you can just unsubscribe immediately, man, what is a customer worth? Well, it depends, but I read the other day that at Home Depot, a single customer, if they get a customer, will spend $10,000 over the lifetime of that customer. Do you think they'd spend $25 to get a customer? I bet they would. I bet they would. You know they do, right? Because they're worth $10,000. That's insane. So if you want to do this stuff, it's not that hard. Everybody thinks, well, you're special or you got lucky. No, there's plenty of people making money online. I'm not the only one. And I don't think you really believe that. But it's easy to tell yourself that because it prevents you from trying. And I don't want you to do that. Matter of fact, here's what I want you to do. I've got a book on how to find products online. That was a great segue, right? And that book will show you how to find a profitable product to sell online. Some of you guys don't have a product and you're letting that stop you. You're saying, well, I don't have anything to sell. If I only had something to sell. Man, there's so many things to sell out there. It's an insane amount of stuff. Look how good Jessica's doing over there. She's driving me. Look at it, how good she's doing. I want to make sure you see her too, because I'm not driving and doing this, though I normally do. But I have a little suction cup on the windshield, so that's okay. So I want you to see how easy it is to do this. So here's what I want you to do. In the comments, and if somebody else would post it there, I'd really appreciate it too. Jessica's not there to post it for me. Oh well. In the comments, if you would post a link to my book. This book you can read like in 2 hours, and you're going to know how to find a profitable product to sell online. Why? Because the name of the book is 4 Steps of How to Find a Profitable Product to Sell Online. Pretty cool title, right? That's what you want to do. It's in the title. Get it? Go get it. Go get that book. Go to www.jrfisherbook.com. jrfisherbook.com. Go there right now. www.jrfisherbook.com. But wait, you want to hear the rest of this, right? Of course you do. Of course you do. So the point today is several. And I was live earlier this morning, but I really want to make this point because it's a Friday afternoon, and dang it, we're enjoying it. We're out. We had a nice lunch at an Italian restaurant, went to a nice mall, did some shopping, cruising down the interstate. Well, we're not cruising. It's pretty slow. But we're driving down the interstate. Heading back home now. I'm going to have a nice relaxing evening. But been working hard all week. You got to work, right? You got to do that. And you got to have something to sell. And if you want something to sell, if you want a physical product to sell that's going to work, that's going to make you money, that's guaranteed to make you money, then you want to go grab my book. It tells you how to do that. It's www.jrfisherbook.com. So anyhow, just want to share that with you. And the fact that if you build this email list, you can email them, you can make money while you're shopping. That's what I just did. That's awesome. I made money while I was shopping. That's some cool stuff, isn't it? America's great. This is awesome. And the internet, it's just awesome. And you know what? The internet's available to everybody. Well, there are some places that you can't get it. I won't mention those countries, but we don't live there, or you wouldn't be watching this. You have the internet, so you're set to go. Go grab the book, www.jrfisherbook.com. Learn how to find some products and make money while you shop. Hey, Jessica, say goodbye.
Bye.
She said goodbye. Talk to you guys later.